Okay, so basically I broke it. Oh my God, look at this. Look at it broke. It no work no more. What the hell are we doing? I don't know how to do this. Let's go in not in good order. So this is my center console of my car, and I have an iPhone 12 or greater, which has MagSafe. There's like magnets here. You'd be like, ba-ding. I thought it'd be cool to install this in my car and utilize that cool feature. And what I originally had before is I had just a USB-C cable coming from here, wrapping around, going underneath through the cables here, going along here, and then plugging in underneath there. Oh, it fell out. And then there. However, my fat ass, where is it? Did something with a McDonald's burger or something, and it just bent the shit out of the cable. Look at this. So it sits like that normally, and it's honestly, it's just setting it up for failure, but something fell on it. Don't question what it was, and just did that to it, and now it just doesn't work. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna fix it. And how are we gonna fix it, you ask? I don't actually know. You see, I already bought a new cable right here. New cable, works great. I already tested it, plugged it in, but they changed, bro. This is from the same fucking company. Look at, they changed the design slightly, and now it don't fit nicely. So I'm gonna have to cut it and crap and make it look all nice again. It's gonna be the same thing except better. Before, like I said before, it came out wrapped around here and took up a port, leaving me only with this, which is kind of lame. I kind of want both whenever I want. So now what I'm going to do, I bought another cigarette thingy. That's what those are called. It's like a cigarette port. I don't know why, it's stupid. But I bought another one. And then we're going to solder it, splice it in with the wires that already exist there. So there's two connected to one and have it all hiding underneath. Here's the thing, the thingy, the cigarette port. Here's this. I just bought another one. Literally exact same thing. It's really stupid. The perfect reality is that I spliced the wires from this straight to this cable, but like I don't know how to do that, and I don't think that's how it works, but I don't want to test it. I just know that from past experience, I could just splice into these wires, make another connection that just connects to this, duplicating it, just hide underneath. Look, it's the same thing. It even did it. Wow. I don't know what to do now. What's the next step of recording this? Do you guys give a shit to see me like working on it? I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just cut the holes or cut this to match. And then I'm going to have to cut the center console a little bit more because it moves it slightly. See, there's like this stupid little nub because this used to be like a car vent thing. So I had to cut the back part off of it because I didn't really know how to unscrew it and I couldn't figure it out without like dismantling the whole thing. That's why I had to cut this hole here. Sorry, I'm terrible at this. But now it's moved a little bit because they changed the cable design. I cleaned it. Look how clean it is now. Can you tell the difference? Probably not, because it's a camera. Okay, now that we've done that, we got this all fixed up again and it all looks nice. Next step is to splice these wires. And it's okay to work on them because they turn off after the car turns off. Oh, actually, I think I probably need to make this hole bigger. A little bigger. Let's see. Let's see if it'll fit nice. Ah! Why'd you make it fatter, you bitch? Okay, I found sandpaper in my mother's garage, and I was able to sand down this little nub so I don't have to actually cut the center console no mo. So now it sits all nice and flush. Look at that. Looks OEM, basically. And the best thing about it is if I sell this car, I think it's pretty good. Someone else will probably want it. Even if you don't have an iPhone, I mean, just don't go over a bump and your phone will stay there. Okay, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hot glue this shit all in here. And you're not going to watch me hot glue it. Fuck you. Okay, now we got the last step of this whole entire process is doing this shit. And maybe it would have been smarter to do it first because now it's hard to see, as you might be able to tell. Shit. I accidentally just poked my seat. Oops. But like, honestly, that's the least of my seat's worries. Like, look how dirty it is. It works. Intermittently. Why is it going in and out? The light over there is not going in and out. Okay, well, look at this. Look at this. It works. You can see the blue light in there. There's a blue light coming from the other one too, so it's working. But that keeps happening though. I don't know why. So I'm gonna figure that out really quick. Okay, I did some troubleshooting and I switched the wires. Those ones are supposed to be plugged into the ones back here and vice versa. And the problem still persists. So that means there's something wrong with this thing right here, which is good because then I didn't do all that shit for nothing, but annoying because I don't know how to fix this if it's broken. I haven't tried plugging it to something separately and see what happens, like a wall outlet. I guess I'll go try that now. Man, I figured out the problem. I've been trying a bunch of things, like trying to see if it was maybe the cable I bought. There's just something stupid about it. I've just tried swapping different things. And the last thing that I did was use this cable, plug the main OEM ports into this one, the original, see what happens. Works totally fine. Works entirely fine, actually. However, when I did the exact same thing, but with that one plugged into the main wires, stop switching the cameras, you shit face. Fuck you! This is worse quality. Bruh. Dude, iPhone is great sometimes, but like, this is dumb. Fuck off. There we go. So I did the same thing. I plugged in the main wires into that one, and guess what? It starts blinking. So something's wrong with that unit. This thing specifically. I don't really know what or why. Actually, the only other thing I didn't try is this. That little thing inside. Maybe that's broken. Bruh. It works now. It's legitimately this thing. This one that I just bought isn't like not working properly. Here, let's plug it in. Plug in the phone. Am I charging? Can I even check that while I'm recording? Yep. Yeah, it's working fine now. That is dumb. What I'm gonna do next is button everything back together and plug everything in. I might just return the other one and not even buy another one because I don't fucking need it. I realized because I got one in there. Hi, Garrett. Thingy in here. Look at that. You can't tell, but you're gonna just have to trust me because I don't give a shit anymore. I'm pissed off. All right, it's all buttoned up and cute looking. Look at that. Hi. So cute, right? Let's just go for it. Please don't blink at me. I think it works. Yay! Now that is how you install wireless charging in a Honda CR-V 2008 center console. MagSafe enabled as well. Look at that. Dun, dun. Thanks for watching. That was way bigger of a pain in the ass than it should have been. But yeah. Subscribe for more bullshit.